everybody, today I will show you how to make Achiote chicken tacos. This is an easy dinner recipe that is ready in 20 minutes. No marinating time needed, no fuss, just delicious tacos. This recipe is the easiest way to bring that authentic Achiote flavor from Mexico into your kitchen, and these tacos are not spicy, just flavorful, though you could certainly add some spice to these. You can use Achiote sauce or Achiote paste to make these tacos. I'm using the sauce because it's a little quicker. In the comments below, you'll find the links to the sauce I used and the full recipe with instructions for both the sauce and the paste. After adding half a teaspoon of ground cumin, now we add a couple of tablespoons of orange juice and a tablespoon of lime juice. Authentic recipes use bitter oranges, but the combination of tangy orange juice and sour lime juice gives the sauce a really nice flavor. Here you can also add a splash of vinegar if you want more tang, or hot sauce if you want some spice. Season with plenty of salt and pepper, and then I go in heavy with the garlic. Since I'm not marinating this chicken, I use a lot of garlic and I promise it's not overpowering. Stir everything together, and remember that you can give the sauce a taste because there's no raw chicken in here yet. This amount of sauce is good for 1 to 2 pounds of chicken, but if you're cooking more than that, you should double the sauce ingredients. For juicy chicken tacos, I use cleaned and trimmed boneless and skinless chicken thighs here, but you can also use thin sliced chicken breasts. Make sure to get the sauce into every nook and cranny and fold of the chicken to maximize that flavor. If you want, you can let the chicken marinate for 15 to 30 minutes, but that's not necessary. It comes out juicy and delicious either way. Get that skillet nice and hot, then add your favorite cooking oil and add the chicken to the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes to get a nice sear, and then flip each piece over. Cook until fully cooked, and then remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes while you prep your favorite taco toppings. I'm only adding cilantro here so you can see the texture of the chicken, but some of my favorites here are fresh or pickled onion, fresh avocado, and thin sliced jalapeno peppers. Now, don't try this at home, kids. I toast my corn tortillas right over the fire, but what you should do is toast them in a dry, hot pan. You know, to avoid starting a fire in your kitchen. Toast these until you smell a nice toasted corn flavor, and then remove them from the heat immediately. Slice the chicken, load up your tacos, and enjoy. Load these up with some spicy slaw or salsa, a drizzle of creamy sauce, fresh cilantro, and a splash of hot sauce. If you need more easy chicken dinner ideas, tap the video link to see my spinach and mozzarella stuffed chicken breast recipe. It's so good. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more easy dinner ideas in your feed.